Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make lasagna stuffed chicken. It's all the flavors you love from lasagna without the pasta, stuffed inside a chicken breast, and boy is it delicious. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a baking dish. For this recipe, you'll need to butterfly some chicken breasts so that you can stuff things inside. The easiest way to do this is to buy the largest chicken breasts you can find. To butterfly, you slice them in half lengthwise, but you don't cut all the way through so that you can fold them open. I have 2 large breasts today, so once they're butterflied, place them into the prepared baking dish. We'll season the insides of these with a little bit of salt and black pepper. For the filling, you'll need 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 1 large egg, about 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, and then about 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then stir this all together. All right, our filling's ready, and then you'll also need some marinara. You can use homemade. I often have some frozen in my freezer, or you can use some from a jar. Spoon about 2 tablespoons of marinara onto the insides of each of these chicken breasts that are butterflied. Then we'll spoon our ricotta mixture onto 1/2 of each of the butterflied chicken breasts. Then gently fold the chicken breasts over the filling to close. Season the tops with a little bit more of that salt and black pepper. Pour 1 cup of marinara over the tops of these chicken breasts to kind of finish them off. Top with about 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, then sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning on top. All that's left to do is bake this in the preheated 400-degree oven until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which will take about 25 to 30 minutes. And then that's it. You are ready to eat. You can serve this with pasta, of course, or you can serve it with some roasted veggies or a nice green salad. It really is a delicious meal. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.